proof of the quality of work. Not only can you show it in
Okay. What is going on? Thought it would be fun to do a little live stream. Oops. Wait, where was it again? Of me working on my website. Here's my website. And as you can see right now, I'm working out of the Thrive Architect interface. Thrive Architect is a page builder. It's like Visual Composer or Fusion Builder. It's just an easier way to make web pages. It's like a visualization of HTML code. You can add cool content and make it look nice and stuff. This doesn't look nice yet. I just started creating it. This is a services page for my website offering SEO and content writing services. I wrote the other page the other day, another services page for audits, because I do SEO audits. And now I'm working on the content page itself. Yeah, so anyway, I'm liking Thrive themes. It's pretty fun. You can see there's a lot of options over here. You can add headings really easily. You can change the size from H1 to H2, H3, and so forth. And then you can add paragraphs of text, blocks of text really easily underneath. Another thing cool you can do, which I haven't done on this page, but you can add content, or you can add background sections. So this could be just a huge block of color that you want behind your text, right? You do something like this and then add text within that. So go back to paragraph, place the paragraph inside there, and then you can start typing. It's pretty cool. But yeah, Thrive is one of my favorite page builders to use. I just bought the membership for a whole year, so I'm super excited about that. Yeah, it's pretty great. I'm enjoying it. Hello. Anyway, right now I'm working on my content creation services page. And here I'm just going to talk about the different content writing services I offer. Here's the first subsection. So basically I'm keeping SEO best practices in mind here. Got my H1 header, content creation services, and my H2. My first H2 is going to be blog posts. So I'm talking about how I will create the blog post for you at reasonable rates. Actually, I think I'm going to bold this term. You don't want to have too much bolding in your text, but you want to bold some of the terms that you're trying to draw attention to. People do it a lot for SEO. The problem with that is you don't want to bold too much, because then Google will look at it as spammy, and it could be a poor user experience. You want to bold just the terms that you really want people to see. So reasonable rates, I want people to see that, so I can bold that. But yeah, you don't just want to bold your keyword, like content creation. I don't just want to bold that. So I unbolded it because I thought better of myself. Yeah, just a little thing. Also, italics are nice to have here and there. I'll probably add a couple of those. I think as far as word count, I'm probably only going to write about 300 to 400 words, maybe a little bit more than that, but I don't want to keep this page too long. I just want to highlight the top services I'm offering as far as content creation is concerned. Again, I don't want to get crazy with it. So let's see. Some of the topics we've written on include fitness, self-improvement, current events, news, history, sports, health, and digital marketing. Each piece of content, I already put well researched. I don't want to use the same terms too often. We will aim to integrate each blog post into your site's overall SEO strategy. Because I'm trying to tie this into my main service, which is SEO. I think that's a good way to put it. We will aim to integrate each blog post into your site's, oops, gotta save this, into your site's overall SEO strategy. Utilizing proper keywords and topic, I want to say topical organization, but that might sound a little nerdy for most people. Utilizing proper keywords and topic structuring. The thing is, I'm going to explain all this. Because what I see a lot of people doing with their services sites is they're just trying to sell people on their services rather than actually providing value and giving them helpful information that they can do themselves. It's like, I found that if you can give people information that they can apply on their own, they'll actually be more likely to buy your services, because you're showing trust, right? You're building trust with them, and trust is super important. So if you give people SEO advice and content advice or whatever, you're actually making them more likely to buy your services down the line. So it's kind of a weird, I guess, reverse psychology, something like that. I don't know, but I've found that to be the case. So I don't want to make this sound like I'm trying to sell myself too much. Although this is a services page, so I guess that's okay. I'm also going to build out other pages with like how-to guides and more comprehensive advice and videos and whatnot. So this is just the start. We will aim to integrate each blog post into your site's overall SEO strategy, utilizing proper keywords and topic structuring. Okay. So yeah, I'm creating my next header here. So it's already set at H2, that's fine. So this will be, I actually might end up putting this first, but I'm going to call it website content. And the way this differs from blog posts is blog posts are what's the best way to word this? Website content, the way I'm using it, is content that's going to live on the website permanently. Like, you know, welcome to blah 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 plumbing.com. We offer blah blah blah, like that kind of content, versus blog posts, which are just blogging, and they're temporary, or they're temporary in the sense that they're not pages that people would reference every day if they're looking for services. So I'm going to talk about my website content services. I can help people add written content to their sites. So I've been doing, it's pretty cool. So you can set, as you can see, here's the text box. You can set the padding, so you can increase it. I'm actually going to pull it all the way back to 0, and then I'm going to increase it on the top so that this text gets pushed down a little bit. I'm doing 15. It's a good distance. So yeah, again, you don't have to know any coding to do this, which is really nice. It's super easy to do. So, oh, and I'm probably going to add more to this section too once I've sorted it all out. I'm just creating the skeleton for this page right now. Whether you're creating a brand new site, whether you're creating a brand new website or trying to improve the quality of your current site, whether you're creating a brand new website or trying to improve the quality of your current site. Or just looking to improve your current site, we can provide new content that stands out. Or, again, this is the first draft, so I'm not getting crazy here. What's up? Cool. All right, back to that. Whether you're creating a brand new website or just looking to improve your current site, we can provide new content Did it stop? Probably. Oh, no, it's still streaming. God, I hate my internet here. It's ridiculous sometimes. It just goes out. Weird. Alright. Let your brand tell a story. Whether you're creating a brand, I don't want to say brand twice, even though it's different context. Let your brand tell a story. Let us help your brand tell a story. Whether you're starting a new website or just looking to improve your current site, we can provide. Whether you're starting a new website or looking to improve your current site, whether you're starting a new website or just looking to improve your current site, we can provide new content that stands out. We can help you from engaging homepage copy that grabs readers' attention, grabs the reader's attention to services pages like this one. From engaging homepage copy that grabs the reader's attention to services pages that explain everything you do in detail. We can give you the words that drive conversions. That's kind of cheesy, but you get the drift. Alright, I'm actually going to leave this for now because I just thought of a couple other things I need to do. But this has been fun. I think I'm going to do more live streams. Alright, let me figure out how to stop this thing. It's over here.